Good afternoon, everyone. So in previous class, we have done that all operator and any operator and its case statement. So today I'm going to explain about subqueries. So subquery is a query inside another query. So when we can place the subqueries in a number of classes, we can write the subqueries with the where class and the select. We can use subqueries with the select statement and update statement and delete statements. So subqueries must be enclosed with the parenthesis and the subqueries on the right side of the operator. So here, so in previous classes, so exist operator and so any operator and all operators. So these are all so used with the subqueries. So here we are using the comparison operators. So let me check one query. Write a query to list the employees who have highest age in a company. So select start from employees. So highest age in a company. First, highest age means so we have to find out the maximum age. So we have to find out the maximum age first. Then we have to retrieve the details of that employees. So let me check one query. So here write a query to list the employees who have the highest age in a company. So first we have to find out the maximum age. So highest age means we have to use the aggregate function that is maximum. So max of age as age from employees. So firstly we have to find out the maximum age, and then find out the details of that employees. Select start from employees. Where age equals to so here you can see that record ID 1 has maximum age 41. So next one I have to try that one. So find the employees who earn more than highest salary in HR department. So first we have to find out the highest salary in HR department. So then you have to check that employee details who is having more than that salary in HR department. So first we have to find out the maximum salary. So max of salary from employees where department equals to HR. So next we have to find out the list of the employees. Just I want to I'm finding the maximum salary in HR department. So that is the 73,000. So I want to retrieve the details of that. So details of that who earn more than highest salary. Select start from employees where. So here we are finding the salary. Right? We are finding the salaries. So we are searching the salaries, right? So we have to give the salary column in where class, then greater than. We are comparing the values, right? So we have to give the comparison operators that is greater than. So these employees all are having greater than something 72,000, 73,000. So next one, write a subquery to find out the second highest salary in employee details. Sorry, employee table. So first, when we find out the second highest salary, firstly we have to find out the first highest salary. So first, to find out the first highest salary, so we have to use the max aggregation function. Salary from employees. So I'm taking this as the first highest salary. The second highest salary should be less than the first highest salary. So again I am finding the first highest salary, second highest salary. So max salary. So I'm taking the alias name for this as second highest salary. So I'm finding both first highest salary and the second highest salary. So this is not here, you have to give. So second highest salary is less than the first highest. So where salary less than first highest salary. Unknown column salary. So here you have to give the table name, employees. So see that second highest salary is 5 lakhs. So that should be below first highest salary. So then check that first highest salary. So first highest salary is 6,000 and the second highest salary is 6 lakhs and second highest salary is 5 lakhs. Next one. So next topic is joins. So these are very important in MySQL. So in every database, joins are very important. So joins are used to combine two or more tables based on the related columns between them. So there are few key reasons why joins are important in SQL. So to retrieve the data, so we are using joins to retrieve the data from multiple tables. So these joins are used when we have one to many relationships and many to many relationships. So one to many relationships means single record in one table can be associated with multiple records in another table. For example, customer can order many items. So customer can order many items. So there will be there is happening action multiple times. So in that we have to create the foreign keys. So next one, many to many relationships means in many to many relationships, multiple records in one table can be associated with the multiple records in another table. So this is typically so no need to third table. So third table acts as a bridge table to facilitate the relationship. So joins are used to combine two or more columns from the tables. So when we have one-to-many relationships and many-to-many relationships, we are using the joins. So here we have some examples. So firstly, to join, before using the joins, we have to create the tables. So here we have created three tables: customers table and orders and shippings table. So customer table having customer ID, first name, last name, email, city. And orders table having properties like order ID, customer ID, item, amount, order date, and shipping ID, and so on. So next here I am giving the foreign key from orders table, from orders table to customer table. So orders table of the customer, foreign key of customer ID references to the customers of the customer table. So the foreign key refers to the primary key of the customer table. And I'm giving the foreign key, I'm refer the foreign key from orders to shipping table. So the order foreign key of shipping ID references to the shippings of the shipping ID. So here we have shipping table. So shipping table having properties shipping ID, customer ID, tracking number, status, and the delivery date. So here the in from shipping table foreign key customer ID references to the customers of the customer ID. And so here you can see that note. So after creating the tables, we can add foreign keys. So we can also add foreign keys after creation of the table. So here we have syntax alter table name and add constraints foreign keys. So here we have different types of joins. To join two or more tables, we need first tables. So we have customer and order shipping table. So we have different types of joins. So inner join, left join, right join, full join, and self join, cross join. So inner join command is used to join two tables. Inner join command is used to join two tables that returning the matching values from both tables. So here we are finding the matchings. So who is ordering the items from orders table? So whoever ordering the whoever ordering the items from the orders table. So we have to find out the matchings. So we have to find out the customers. So we have to find the customers. So who is ordering the items from the orders list? So orders table. So here we have syntax select column names from table name and inner join. So table 2 on table 1 and column name and table 2 column name. So in my database we have no orders shippings. So here we have customers and orders and shippings. So here you have to join. So I'm using the inner join. Inner join is used to join two tables that return matching values from both tables. Just select. So if you want to retrieve all columns from both tables, if you want to join all columns from both tables, just you have to give the table name. Select start from customers. So here I am using inner join. Next one. So by using the inner join, I'm joining orders table. orders. So you have to use the on class. On class customers dot customer ID equals to orders dot customer ID. So you can see that so your inner join will return only matching rows. So who have ordered items from the list? So John has ordered 2 times. So if you want to find out the items, just select the column names from both tables. So I'm retrieving customer ID and first name. Next, I'm taking some columns from orders, order item and order amount. So here you have to give the table name customer ID. So that means customer ID column from the customers table. Next, finding the first name customers dot first name. Next, orders dot order item. So orders dot item. And orders dot amount. From customers, I'm using the inner join. Next, orders. On class, customers dot customer ID equals to orders dot customer ID. So here we have taken only 4 columns. So that are customer ID and first name from the customers table and item and amount from the orders table. So here John has ordered the items laptop and smartphone 2 times. So when the action is happening multiple times, we need to create the foreign keys. Just remember that. So Johnny, ID2, Johnny also has ordered 2 times items, wireless mouse and keyboard. So that is the inner join. So inner join will return only matching rows. So next one, so if you want to join shipping, so if you want to if you want to display the shipping status also, we need to add shipping table. Select customers dot customer ID. Next, customers dot first name, orders dot item, orders dot amount. Next, I want to display shipping status. I want to retrieve the shipping status also. Shippings dot status. So check that one's column names. Status. Shippings dot status. From customers, inner join and orders on class customers dot customer ID equals to orders dot customer ID. So next one more. So we have given that shipping status, right? So we have to join. Again, you have to use inner join. Next shippings. So I'm adding shippings table. So then you have to use on class. So on class specifies. So how many records? So it specifies the matching between two tables. So on class specifies matchings between two tables. Orders dot shipping table shipping ID shipping start shipping ID. See that. So look at the result. So it has displayed status also. So in this way we can join to our more tables. So next, write a query to retrieve the customers and their total orders. You have to try that one. So sum of the orders amount as total, you have to group by. So you have to group the values. So when we are finding the sum of the values. So next one, write a query to retrieve orders with the shipping status delivered. So here, so they are finding the two tables, orders and shipping status. So you have to write the query according to their interviewer question. So write a query to retrieve recent orders and shipping status. So recent orders means the order date should be greater than our specific date. So here they are adding only two tables. So orders and shipping status. So select customers and orders and shippings. So here they have added two tables. So three tables, customers and orders, shipping. So you have to try that one. So next one, left join. So left join returns all records from the first table and returns matching records from the right table. So it will return all records from the left table and matching records from the right table. So let me check some queries. Select customers.customer ID customers.first name. Next, orders.item orders.amount. From customers, left join. I'm using the left join. Next, I'm adding orders table on class customers.customer ID equals to orders.customer ID. So here we have error. So unknown column orders in the field list. So here orders dot item here. See that result. Customer ID, first name, item, and amount. So it will display all records from the left table. So all records from the customer table, but items, so only matching who have ordered the items only. It will display the items. So who did not order any items. So instead of that values, it will display nulls. So it is displaying the null values who did not order any items. So next one, so write a query to retrieve the customers and orders with their shipping status. So here we have to add the shipping status also. So I'm taking the query from above, and I'm adding left join. Next. Just select the query and execute it. So here see that it will display all the columns, all the records from the left table, but only displayed matching records from the right table. See that. Next one. Write a query to retrieve customers and their address even if there are no orders. So this is also same as first query. And one more query, write a query to retrieve customers who not placed any orders. Who did not any orders, I want to retrieve that customers. So just I'm taking the first name, customers.customer ID, and customers.first name. So next one, table name from customer. And so I'm using the left join and adding orders on customers.customer ID equals to orders.customer ID. Where orders.order ID is so here you can see that 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 customers, David, Sarah, Daniel, and Lara, James, did not order any items. So next one, write a query to retrieve all orders with potential missing details. So if you want to retrieve the missing details, so missing delivery status. So you have to define that you have to use seasonal operator to find out the null values. So here select orders, taking the columns from the orders table and shipping table. Then I'm adding shipping table by using the left join, and have matched the IDs. Then I have given the shipping status is null. Then you have to try that one. Next one, right join. So right join return all the records from the right table and only matching records from the left table. So for left join, it will return all the records from the left table and matching records from the right table. But right join, it will return all records from the right table and return only matching records from the left table. So just write a query to retrieve all customers and orders. So I'm taking the query from above. So here you have to give the right join. See that. So it will return all the items from the right table, only matching values from the left table. So it has displayed only matchings from the left table and all records from the right table. So next, write a query to retrieve all customers with orders and shipping details. So to retrieve the records from 3 tables, you have to use just right join. I'm giving the right join. So it will display all records from the right table and only matching records from the left table. See that. So it will display all records from the orders table and shipping table, only matching records from the customers table. Next. So, and I will take one query. Retrieve the customers and orders with the shipping status and who is living in some cities, New York and London cities. So here you have to find out the customers' names and order items, their orders, and the shipping status, who is living in New York and London. Just I am taking above query. So here, so I'm finding the customers who is living in New York and London. So where city? Where is the city customers? So customers dot city in London and New York. So just select the query and execute it. So here I'm taking the address, customer's address, customers dot city. So see that city London from, so Jane is living in city London. So here we have found that shipping status and customers who is living in London and New York cities. So only one person is there in London. It has displayed that record. Next. So where the orders and shipping details who have not been delivered. So where status is not delivered. Select orders.order ID and shippings dot status from orders right join shippings, the orders dot shipping ID equals to shipping dot shipping ID. So where we are finding that status who has not delivered the item. So where shippings dot status not delivered means not equals to, you have to give the not equals delivered. So there is one error, writing text to near shipping start shipping ID. So we have to give the on class here, on class shippings dot status. Shippings. Here you have to give the G. And again shippings INGS. So see that. So except delivered, it has displayed remaining status cancelled, in transit and pending. Whose details are status details cancelled and in transit pending. So when we are using equals, it has it will display only status delivered, who have status delivered. So in this way, we are using inner join and left join and right join. So tomorrow I will explain remaining topics. Thank you.